working on my motorhome. Nelson's sister come over and brought this dirty old van seat, so we're gonna cobble that in the back. It'll be awesome. I'm gonna freaking haul out this cabinetry. I'm gonna haul out all that cabinetry. We'll put the seat right there. It'll be awesome. Check this out. Got a piss mat in there. Might have showed you before, but I can't remember stuff very good, so might also not. But yeah, we'll have to cobble the bottom up a little bit, maybe some angles. I was going to tell you some other stuff too, but I forgot about that. I'd have to put a telephone pole up, boys. I was going to try to sell them, but as soon as I start selling them, that's when I'm going to need them. So I don't know where. I think right about right here. That's probably a pretty good spot. It'll be nice and even Steven in the yard. And then yeah, that'll be awesome. How you doing? Uh-oh.
What am I doing wrong?
Oh no. What'd you do?
I don't know. That's the problem. I don't know what I've done wrong until I've done it wrong, and then
you find out.
Yeah, and then everybody tells me to do something wrong.
Oh.
It's not edible though.
No?
One fucking pallet done at least.
Oh, yeah. I gotta confiscate the drill, buddy. I gotta haul out the cab.
That's fine. I have no more screws left.
Right on. I gotta haul out the cabinetry.
Oh, the grumman?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the plan. Boys, I love working on the grumman. My new seat, eh? Free 99. Delivered. Oh, I just shit myself. Get out quick.
Oh,
save yourself. Oh, here it comes. Oh, he is lucky he got out. Oh, dear. Wow. Wow. That's wholesome. New seat. We got faster. I can give him a handy. They can reach around and give me a handy. Pick up dudes. This man's awesome. Let me know what you think about this though. I mean, parked here she'll go up to 170, but driving she's just over 160. I don't know. I'd have thought it'd have been a little warmer than that, but what do you think? Where'd it go? Nice belt, dude.
You like my belt?
Yeah. It's got fucking bejanglers onto it. That's not going to be on long anyway. Happy? Hornets getting me. There's still hornets in this shit.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the fucking metal smelting production.
Oh, if only we actually had a smelter.
Yeah.
Smelt all this down.
You're like Les Claypool for
Yeah,
sakes.
yeah.
You know?
I just need my space and...
Right? What's really going on? Oh, you love Peters? Oh, it's a horse. What happened?
Oh, he's a good boy.
What happened? You smell? A little bit?
Jim, Chris.
How you doing?
Jim.
Not too bad. I put a seat in the back so we can all take a tour in the grumman.
Just fires right up.
Nice.
No, it's coming from a rocker cover.
Yeah, maybe.
Coming all the way down.
One of them
Could be a rocker cover.
So I had two of them off, you know, and you tighten them up, but all the O-rings and all that bullshit crushed down, right? So.
Yeah, that's probably what it is.
Lift pump was loose. Can't remember everything. The air compressor almost flew out of it too when I took it to get it safetied, but he's like, oh, the nut that's holding the air compressor on is not there, and the bolt's almost into the pulley. I was like, oh, cool. Like, well, it's a home-built unit, you know what I mean? You're not gonna you know, you're not gonna remember everything. First go, right? A missing nut and 2 loose bolts isn't that big of a deal, I don't think. Just running the duty cycle. Eh? My duty cycle. Eh? Yeah. Just running the gas out of her. It. Too much drips, but like all that's from it too. Like drip, 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 drip. So I don't know, hopefully it's got some oil in it still. That's not good. Self-undercoating unit, this one. Expensive oil though, holy shit. It's the break-in oil, right? So, yeah. I just dump that on the road, fuck it. It's a thing I do. As soon as we're done the grumman, or as soon as we're done the bucket. None for horses. Especially bad ones. Where'd you go?
Figure might keep going off for like half a second anyway.
What do you think? I'll just carry around and show people.
Yeah, that's what Gracie likes to do too.
They look like
Don't fucking touch.
We had major oil leak, boys. Like big time, look at. And that's not all from the grumman, of course, just this wet spot here and that wet spot there. But like a whole bunch of that too. Big time. So it turns out a lot of times the lift pump or whatever you call it there will stay bolted in if you tighten the bolts. Who would have noticed? But yeah, I brake cleanered her off, so we'll see what happens. Looks like we still got a little residual, but yeah, that tappet cover is probably fucking leaking too by the looks of it, so that's good. That's good. I got the cheap Chinese friggin' Tappet. I got Too Muchy's brother's Tappet cover, and if everything leaks, we will funk it. I apologize. Oh no.
Oh yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yep.
Putty.
Buddy.
Putty, please. Why?
That's your new one, the good one.
No.
Yep. Just fucking ruined.
Get him! Bite! 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 He's biting!
I don't know English.
You don't know English?
That's one.
Well, maybe you should learn.
Guess the
Fuel filter? What
I
do you
don't know.
need?
That's one go engine. That's one and guess the boat.
Yeah.
That's one go. Not.
What's wrong? No good?
Yeah. Shenzhen.
Yeah, it's a fuel filter. I don't know. Test. Oh yeah, look at the scoop tech. Look at the fucking scoop tech, boys. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Don't bend it. That's a good deal. Come over and weld my bucket for a set of old rims and tires. Don't mind if I fancy. Hey, don't fancy if I do. Oh, I think I peed over here and then I rolled the tire through it and I have urination on my hand. Excellent. It's wonderful. It's wonderful news. I should tell him his truck sounds like it's got a Cummins turbo diesel into it. Is that a Cummins turbo diesel? That fuck sounds like Cummins turbo diesel right there. I think this was Dum Dum's rims.
What's that?
You know Dum Dum?
Which one is that?
The guy who had the truck over here and he was gonna fix it, and then
The fucking.
the cops came and
Yep.
he like that bitch put the truck, or like, you know, this and that about the truck in her name or something, and this and that, and like it was like fraudulent as fuck. Yeah.
Then she got arrested.
Yeah. And she's like, what? She didn't do and stuff. Oh, that's great.
Watch that video, big guy. Before they've had the thing here, their C-cam, there was an opening there, and he had this crane, and this guy, his kid came, and he was going to swap the fucking engine. And he just like took the whole thing apart, like stripped it right down to nothing, and then his girlfriend went and put the truck in her name.
And gave it to somebody else.
Yeah,
and then he's messaging me telling me, oh, we're coming to get the truck. I'm like, yeah, I don't know anything about that. Fucking buddy who dropped it off's coming to get it. I mean, it's just letting whoever the fuck come and get random trucks out of my fucking yard. Are you crazy?
We gotta get your,
Lift her up.
we gotta get your toolbox in here too.
That's okay. It'll stand up. I would leave those bars on till tomorrow.
Let her cool.
Let it cool and like completely. That's all I need. Fuck, you call me tomorrow.
Just
and go,
snapping.
the fucking ear's bent over a quarter inch and now it just fucking doesn't fit.
Idiot. Goof, eh? It's a goof. oh, that's
Just
wonderful.
fucking snapping on it.
Yeah, just completely fucking overreacting.
Oh, fuck yeah, fuck.
Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, fuck yeah, bud. We'll be chaining different shit in different chains. Oh shit, Doniker's coming. Oh, that was the door squeaking. It's just the door squeaking, that's all.
Just the door.
Don't worry
It's
about
not
it.
your
This
posterior.
wasn't my buttocks.
Awesome, eh?
Mm-hmm. Big time. Yeah, that was just diabolical amounts of work. The grumman on my juice stick. Hopefully not leaking terrible oils anymore.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I got the air compressor lines hooked up. I just need a couple more fittings and then we can mount the train horn on there. Got to make a bracket to mount that, of course. It'll be fucking awesome. Got the back door handle all installed.